ICC T20 World Cup 2024 Big Match India vs Pakistan. Schedule and best playing 11. Date 9 June. Time 8 p.m. Venue Nassau County International Cricket Stadium. Pakistan team playing 11. Number 1 Saim Ayub. Number 2 Mohammad Rizwan. Number 3 Babar Azam. Number 4 Fakhar Zaman. Number 5 Azam Khan. Number 6 Iftikhar Ahmed. Number 7 Shadab Khan. Number 8 Ahmed Wasim. Number 9 Hasim Shah. Number 10 Shaheen Shah Afridi. Number 11 Mohammad Amir. Team India playing 11. Number 1 Rohit Sharma. Number 2 Yashasvi Jaiswal. Number 3 Virat Kohli. Number 4 Surya Kumar Yadav. Number 5 Rishabh Pant. Number 6 Hardik Pandya. Number 7 Ravindra Jadeja. Number 8 Akshar Patel. Number 9 Kuldeep Yadav. Number 10 Jasprit Bumrah. Number 11 Arshdeep Singh.